Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So right here in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stake your catly. Okay, so right here, after some investments, I've been able to get back my profit. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this button right here. Let me show you guys something really quick. Okay, you can see right here I staked 3,000 catly, and right here after 15 days I was able to get 90,058.69 catly, which is worth $30. Okay, if I'm gonna be withdrawing this, and actually I've made some withdrawal. I made about I made about 5 withdrawals of maybe I think $2, $3, $1, and so okay, so I made some withdrawals during this investment period. Okay, so right here, this is the total profit I was able to make, and this was what I staked. Okay, so right here, let me show you guys. If I want to sell this right now, I'm gonna be making 30 USDT for myself. Okay, so let me quickly type in 90,058. Okay, so that is the available catly I'm having in my account. Okay, so right here you can see this is 90,058 catly, and this is the worth in USDT. Okay, you can see right here, this is the worth in USDT. This is 30.1 USDT right here. Okay, you can see right here, watch closely. Okay, you can see right there, that is 30.1933 USDT. So in this video I'm not gonna be selling this, okay, because of course I want to make more money, so I'm just gonna be stake. Okay, so for those of you who have been asking how you can stake or how you can deposit, I'm gonna be dropping a video in the description of this particular video, so watch that video to learn how you can get your free airdrop, how you can stake every day, and how you can withdraw. Okay, so let me quickly explain how you can stake on this particular platform. Okay, so right here you're just gonna come and click on this option right here showing stake. Okay, so once you click on stake, you're gonna type in the amount of catly you want to stake. Okay, so I want to stake everything, which is 90,058. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in 90,058 right here, and I'm gonna click on stake. You can see this option right here showing stake. Okay, so once I click on stake, it's gonna start counting immediately. Okay, and once it starts counting, I'm gonna be getting 3% interest on my investment. Okay, so let's click on stake, and then I'm gonna check how much I'm gonna be making every day. Okay, so let me click on stake right here. Okay, you can see staking successfully. Okay, so right here, let's see how much I'm gonna be making per day. Okay, so right here I'm gonna be making 361 catly every day. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be making 361 catly every day, which is around 1 point okay, let's check and see how much it's gonna be. So let's go to this option. Okay, you can see here, click here, click on sell catly, and then I'll type in 361, and let's see how much is gonna be in USDT. Okay, so right here you can see it is around 1.2 USDT. Okay, it's around 1.2. that is what I'm gonna be earning every day, and if I like, I can be withdrawing every day. If I don't like, I can still be restaking. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, try it out. You can actually make your own research for yourself before venturing into this investment platform. Okay, this is not on one of those Ponzi schemes. It's actually an airdrop which they are going to be listing very soon. Okay, for those of you who are aware of the BNB, the Dogecoin, the TRX, the Ethereum, the BTC, and all that, they all started like this. Okay, so you can just try this out with some amount of money. Okay, so the minimum amount you can invest right here is $1. Okay, if you have up to $1 on your Binance, you can actually deposit on this platform, and you're going to be earning 3% of your investment on every day. Okay, so I'm going to be ending this video right here. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe, and you can also check down the description and join my giveaway group on WhatsApp. Okay, make sure you join the group because I'm going to be doing some giveaway very soon. Okay, so join the group, and if you want to get to me, you can always get to me through my email or my WhatsApp group. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.